lights on this road got me home. Took some years, but it's where I shed the fear. The walk back to our crescent remains free. Days clean, the pieces fell back to me. It's dead, I'm gone, she fell silent. Everyone just became a song then. My whole world crashed down, fell to ash. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe to breathe. Took to heart all the stories that built your throne. Flew so high, but you and the ground collide. My feet travel all the danger, but walk free. Took blood scars, broken eyes to fix me. It's dead, I'm gone, she fell silent. Everyone just became a song then. My whole world crashed down, fell to ash. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe to breathe this air. Such a shame and a beauty gets you nothing. Such a shame and a beauty gets you nothing. Such a shame and a beauty gets you nothing. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe to breathe. And then like a myth or fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe to breathe. And then like a myth or a fable, I rise from this dirt like a great bird and fly back home where I know it's safe.
Hey guys, pre-order my new album, Gravebird, exclusively at www.johnnyportermusic.com. Rock on.